Hello, wanted to show what I've worked on. So at first I need to, for some reason, deactivate Conda, then I can run the Universal Robot Simulator. It will launch RVs and Gazebo. So now I can put this on the side, zoom in on the robot, and I can then ask, let's do this, for example, plan and execute, and you can see it moving. It's a bit jittery, lagging in RVs, but it's working perfectly fine in Gazebo. Then I have another script that I can show you that does it in another way. So RVs would be nice for debugging with MoveIt, and at least in the beginning this will be the way I will control it from outside. Then one last thing I worked on is this, so a node server with ROS on it. This way I can connect to ROS and subscribe to a node. I want to get to extract the values of this to save them. That's it. Thank you.